Permeability test aim to find the effect of water content, clay content on green permeability of foundry sand. Materials used base sand, clay, and water. Operators used sand rammer, permeability meter, electronic weighing scale, stripper, stopwatch, measuring jar, specimen tube, specimen tube cup. Theory: molten metals always contain certain amount of dissolved gases which are evolved when the metal starts freezing. When molten metal comes in contact with moist sand, generates steam or water vapor. Gases and water vapor are released in the mold cavity by the molten metal and sand. If they do not find opportunity to escape completely through the mold, they will get entrapped and form gas holes or pores in the casting. The sand must therefore be sufficiently porous to allow the gases and water vapor to escape out. This property of sand is referred to as permeability. Permeability is one of the most important properties affecting the characteristic of molds, which depends upon the grain size, grain shape, grain distribution, binder content, moisture level, and degree of compactness. Permeability is a physical property of the physical sand mixture which allows gases to pass through it easily. The AFS American Foundry Men Society definition of permeability is the number obtained by passing 2000 cc of air through a standard specimen under a pressure of 10 gram per square centimeter for a given time in minutes. The permeability number Pn can be found out by the equation Pn is equal to V into H divided by P into A into T, where V volume of air passing through the specimen 2000 cc, H height of the specimen 50.8 mm standard value, P pressure as read from the manometer in gram per square centimeter, A area of the specimen pi d square by 4, where D is equal to 50.8 mm standard value, T time in minutes for 2000 cc of air passed through the sand specimen. Experimental setup details: permeability meter has a cylindrical water tank in which an air tank is floating. By properly opening the wall, air from the air tank can be made to flow through the sand specimen and a back pressure is set up. The procedure of this air is obtained with the water manometer. The meter also contains the chart which directly gives the PN depending on pressure. Procedure: conduct the experiment in two parts. In the first case, vary water percent keeping clay percent constant. In the second case, vary clay percent and keep water content constant. Take weighed proportions of sand, dry mix them together for 3 minutes, then add required proportions of water and wet mix for another 2 minutes to get a homogeneous and mixture. Take the total weight of the mixture between 150 to 200 grams. The correct weight has to be determined by trial and error method. Fix Fill the sand mixture into the specimen tube and ram thrice using sand rammer. Use the tolerance limit provided at the top end of the rammer for checking the specimen size. If the top end of the rammer is within the tolerance limit, the correct specimen is obtained. If it lies below the limit, increase the weight of sand mixture and prepare a new specimen. The specimen conforming to within limits represent the standard specimen required. Now, the prepared standard specimen is having a diameter 50.8 mm and height 50.8 mm. Place the standard specimen along with the tube in the inverted position on the rubber seal or on the mercury cup specimen in the top position in the manometer reading. Operate the valve and start the stopwatch simultaneously. When the zero mark on the inverted jar just touches the top of water tank, note down the manometer reading. Note down the time required to pass 2000 cc of air through the specimen. Calculate the permeability number by using the formula given. Direct scale reading. The permeability test can also be determined by making use of the graduated marker provided near the manometer. Procedure to be followed. Coincide the graduations on the transparent scale with the meniscus of the thermometer liquid. Note the reading of the scale. The reading represents the permeability number of the sand. Tabular column. Varying the percentage of clay and keeping percentage of water constant indicate the percentage of clay. Number of arms 3. Serial number, percentage of clay, pressure, gram per square centimeter, time in minutes, PN, indicated, calculated. Varying the percentage of water and keeping percentage of clay constant indicate percentage of water, number of arms 3. Serial number, percentage of water, pressure, gram per square centimeter, time in minutes, PN, indicated, calculated. Draw graph permeability number versus percentage of clay, permeability number versus percentage of water. Discuss the effect of water and clay on permeability. This is the diagram of permeability meter having water outlet, wall, zero adjustment, knob, manometer, air tank, water tank, chart, orifice, rubber bush.